You're watching CKWS News at 11.
A couple lows to contend with, the first of which brings mostly rain. However, areas to the north where it's a bit cooler, you'll see some wet snow. We may see a bit of the white stuff as opposed to the wet stuff as this double low finishes with us. In the Belleville-Kingston area, you may see a little more accumulation away from Lake Ontario and northeast through Brockville and Smiths Falls. As we get into the cooler air on the backside of this system on Sunday, we see that transition. And yeah, you could get 2, maybe 4, maybe 5 centimeters, depending where you are. We'll get to the specifics with your forecasts. Now, Brockville, a high of 7 tomorrow, and shower activity to start the day, and periods of rain through the afternoon. 20 to 30 millimeters is possible. Could turn to a mix overnight. Sunday, a high 3. Windy conditions out of the northwest. Cooler air bringing temperatures down, and yes, that means it could switch to some wet snow. I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple centimeters before it wraps up. Monday, though, you're back to mainly sunny conditions and above normal again with a high of 7 degrees. Brockville up to 8, and 20 to 30 millimeters of rain is possible. You're looking at periods of rain, yeah, through most of the day. That could be mixed in the evening. Sunday, we could see a mix through the afternoon, too, as temperatures drop again. 2 to 4 centimeters of snow is possible through the evening as it continues. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 4. And in Smiths Falls, rain through the day, could be mixed by the evening, and we could see a mix through Sunday and maybe just snow by the evening. You could see up to 5 centimeters before it wraps up overnight. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 3, and still a 40% chance of a flurry in the morning. Kingston, your forecast rising to 6 with periods of rain tomorrow. 30 to 40 millimeters is possible. Windy conditions too. Southeast 30 to 50 kilometers per hour. Daylight saving time begins on Sunday, so spring ahead an hour in the early morning. At 2 o'clock they suggest you do so, but I usually do it before I hit the pillow Saturday night. A high of 4, and we could see a mix of precipitation as it cools down Sunday, maybe a couple centimeters. Very windy conditions. Monday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 6. Sunny Tuesday, a high 7, and highs of 9 over Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as the chance of showers returns.
Nora joins us again with another look at the forecast. It's been messy, Nora. I'm starting to get a little tired of this.
I think we're all a bit tired of this messy, dreary, at times some serious weather that we've been seeing the past few days in much of central Canada and towards Atlantic Canada as well. The good news is there is one province that will see some relief soon, and that's Ontario. Other than that, we're going to have to wait a few more days until we see some clearer skies. But don't expect much sunshine in Toronto tomorrow. A lot of us will be under cloudy skies in the GTHA and on and off flurry activity. A high of +2 and a lot of wind, especially into the afternoon and early evening, up to 60 km/h wind gusts. But the good news is things are on the mend. The reason is the system is moving out of Ontario and sliding into Montreal, New England, and soon Atlantic Canada. The larger system you can see extending well into northeastern USA and parts of southern USA as well. These fast-moving winds certainly help move that system from one province to the other. And let's see how things are going to progress. Here we are this evening. Heavy rain still towards the east and in through the overnight, but we're already seeing that snow squall activity develop in southwestern Ontario for the GTHA, Toronto, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga. Some mixed precipitation into the overnight. By tomorrow morning, here is that transition to snow, and the heaviest bands lingering towards the east, areas like Cornwall, but also again into London, Ontario, and areas like Buffalo, New York as well. Monday, all of this rolls out, and it will be well worth the wait because we'll see several days of sunshine. The heaviest activity in terms of snow towards Ottawa at 8 centimeters. London forecasted at around 10 to 15 with those snow squalls, according to Environment Canada. Could see up to 4 centimeters by Monday, though. 2 degrees tonight in Kingston. Up in Timmins, it's -10 tomorrow. Here's that drop in temperature, but it won't last very long because as you head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, here's that strategic planning that you need to do for March break. We're looking at outdoor activities is what I suggest for these days, and then indoor activities for Thursday, Friday into Saturday, or you can go with a raincoat and call it a day. But light rain returns for the latter half of your week. 8 degrees for your high on Saturday.
Love it or hate it, for most of us,